morning, everyone. I can't wait to see all of you for the live morning motivation today. All right, let's get our materials ready. So you're putting Monday, your name, and then the date, which is 5/18/20. You're putting number 1 and number 2 with the line in the middle. On the back, you're writing 3 and 4. With the line in the middle. And then for the last page, you're writing exit ticket at the top. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's go on to question number 1. You're writing 178 plus 45. You're drawing your HTO chart. And then below that, you're writing value with a blank line and words with a blank line. Okay. Find the sum of 178 plus 45. So remember, the first thing we need to do is label each TO right here. And then TO because we only have 10s and 1s. Now you're going to work on this first number. You're drawing it. You're not labeling anything yet. You save that for last. So draw the number 178. Okay, I have 100, 7 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now you can cross this out. Now you can work on the number 45. All right, so we have 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we can take the time to regroup. We know that we can regroup our 1s and we can regroup our 10s. So you can do that now. All right, so I'm going to regroup my 1s first. So I know that 5 1s and another 5 1s equals 10. So I'm going to box this, cross it out, and draw another 10 stick over here. And I know I have 10 10s right here. So I'm going to box this, cross it out, and draw another hundreds block over here. Okay. Now we can take the time to label our work. All right, so 100, 200, 210, 220. We have 3 1s here, so I know I have 223. That is our value. And now we're going to write it in words. 200, 23. I'll leave this up and you can check if you spelled everything correctly. And don't forget to put that dash between 20 and 3. All right, let's go on to question number 2. So all you're writing for the directions is 5 quarters. That's all you're writing for the top. 5 quarters. All right. Says I have 5 quarters and each quarter is worth 25 cents. How much money do I have? So I want you to take the time to draw the 5 quarters out, and then I'm going to help you to count by 25. So draw those 5 quarters out. You can do them with me now. So remember, when we're drawing this out, we're not writing the numbers inside the circles. We're not writing the numbers inside. We are writing what kind of coin this is. I know this is a quarter, so I'm going to put a capital Q. So I'm writing a capital Q inside each circle. And now you can write how you're going to count by 25s because each quarter is 25 cents. So you can write it at the top or the bottom. I have more space on the bottom, so I'm going to write on the bottom. So I actually want you to try this on your own. You're going to count by 25s, and I want you to see what number you land on. You can start now. Okay, so I'm going to count by 25s. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. So our answer is 125 cents. And remember that symbol that I taught you last week on how to draw cents. Okay? Nice job, everyone. So now we're ready for our dance break. Okay, let's go on to question number 3. It says count up by 25s until the switch. Count up by 25s until the switch. Then you're going to draw a big rectangle. You're drawing a line in the middle of the rectangle. And then you're drawing 4 lines up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. In that first box, you have 25. In the fourth box, you need to write switch to 10s. And in the third box on the bottom, you need to write switch to 1s. I would pause the video now so you have time to draw this out. Or you can also look at the chart. Okay. It says count up by 25s until the switch. So we actually just counted by 25s when we were doing our coins. So let's keep doing the same thing. I want you to count up to 25s and stop before you get to this box. Okay, so you're going to count up by 25s 2 times. So you can try that out now. Okay, so 25, 50, 75. Now it says we need to switch to tens. So now you need to count by tens and stop before you get here. And remember that the tens place is changing, the ones place is staying the same. Okay, so 75, 85, 95, 105, and 115. Okay, now we're going to switch to ones, so your ones place are going to go up. Okay, so 116, 117, and 118. Okay, let's go on to our last question. You're writing at the top 68 plus 5. 68 plus 5. All right, it says to draw a number line to solve this equation, 68 plus 5, use a friendly 10 strategy. So we did this a couple weeks ago where we got to a friendly 10. Remember, a friendly 10 is when you have a 0 in the ones place. So we need to figure out what is a really close friendly 10 to 68 that we can get to first, okay? So you're going to draw a number line. And because we're adding, we're starting with 68, okay? Now, think about a number that's really close to 68. That would be a friendly number, and that means you're counting up. Let's see, what would that be? Correct. So if you said 70, that's awesome. So we need to make how many hops to get to 70? Let's see, 68, 69, 70, 2 more hops, and that doesn't pass the 5. So we're gonna make a little hop of 2, and that gets us to 70, which is our friendly number, okay? That's our friendly 10, a friendly number. Okay, so we did 2 hops already. Now we need to do 5 hops in total. So if we have 2 already, how many more hops do we need to get 5 in total? We have 2. Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to make a hop of 3. We already know that 70 plus 3 is what? 73. We're going to label that this is our 5 from here, okay? Because we know 3 plus 2 equals 5. This is going to be on an exit ticket sometime this week. So make sure that when you're doing a friendly 10, you know that you're getting to the friendly 10 first, okay? All right, so let's go on to the exit ticket. I'm going to show it on the screen right now. Make sure that you're answering both questions of your exit ticket or you won't get credit for it. Pause the video if you need extra time. All right, everyone, have a wonderful Monday. Don't forget, tomorrow is Animal Day, so you get to bring your favorite stuffed animal while you're watching Morning Motivation. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.